So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD USD, which is our AUD US dollar. You can see our trend right here. Our overall trend on USD, AUD USD is an uptrend, right? You know, we did a prediction yesterday, and we said that AUD USD will give us a bullish move for the day, which market did give us that bullish move. So you can see that our prediction was absolutely correct. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that once we drop more updates, you will not miss out on the updates. Now, if you take a look at this trend right here, if you have to zoom it out, our overall trend on AUD USD is an uptrend move. Now, you all know the rules of trading, which is trade with the trend. Now, since this is an uptrend, we will be trading with the trend, which is we need to be going upward also. Now, this is our movement. This is our first high. Here comes the pullback, which is the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the pullback, which is an higher low. Market did push up again to form a new higher high. This is our higher low right here. Market then go back to form, give us an higher low, right? Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low, right? Now markets did give us a bullish move to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So we are currently at this higher low right here. This is a pullback zone. We would expect market to push up further. It is able to form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our AUD USD. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So this market is literally chopping right here. You can see, right? Market has literally been chopping within this level. You can also take a look at this low to be a support zone. So market rallied on to tap our resistance, give us multiple touch. It rejected and jumped to tap our supports. Market then came back again to tap the resistance. It got the resistance rejected and jumped to tap our support level. Now market eventually rejected from the support level, came back to tap our resistance. You can see that market is currently at this our resistance zone. So you should expect market to at least come back to tap the support zone right here. You should expect it to come back to tap the support zone before it eventually push up again, and very much likely going to take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So above all, we'll be anticipating for the bullish move on AUD USD. But first, let's see it drop to tap our support level. That movement will be giving us about 45 pips bearish move.